Welcome back, blade enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an expedition through the sharpening realm, uncovering the top 5 best knife sharpeners of 2024. As seasoned seekers of edge perfection, we delve deep into the craftsmanship, innovation, and performance of these sharpening marvels. From precision-guided honing to futuristic sharpening technologies, each contender promises to elevate your cutting game to unparalleled heights. Stick around till the end as we unveil a hidden gem that might just revolutionize the way you sharpen your blades. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Say goodbye to dull knives with our 3-stage sharpening system. The diamond sharpening rod fixes damage, the second slot restores the V-shape, and the third slot polishes for a pristine finish. Left-handed? Right-handed? It doesn't matter. This sharpener's ergonomic handle ensures effortless restoration in seconds. Just glide your blade through each slot a few times for professional-grade sharpness. At Kitchilance, we prioritize your safety. Our sharpener features a non-slip base for stability during use. Plus, we throw in a cut-resistant glove, so you can sharpen with peace of mind. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, our sharpener is built to withstand the test of time. Your knives will not only look brand new but also perform like they just came out of the box. Still on the fence? Don't worry, we've got your back. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. The English 4-in-1 kitchen knife accessories offer convenience, safety, and top-tier quality. Say hello to effortlessly sharp knives and goodbye to kitchen frustrations. Number 4. We're into the world of knife sharpening with the HORL 2 Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener, straight from the engineering prowess of Germany. Crafted with precision in mind, the HORL 2 offers interchangeable grinding discs and a magnetic angle support for tailored sharpening needs. From European kitchen knives to outdoor blades, the HORL 2 handles it all. Its diamond and ceramic discs cater to various steel types, ensuring a sharp edge every time. With a 20 degrees grinding angle, tackle tough cutting tasks effortlessly. The HORL 2 ensures your knives are ready for any kitchen challenge or outdoor adventure. For delicate cutting work like sushi or Damascus knives, the 15 degrees angle delivers razor-sharp precision. Perfect for those who demand the utmost finesse in their cuts. Powered by industrial diamonds, the HORL 2 guarantees durability and efficiency. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to long-lasting sharpness. In conclusion, the HORL 2 Walnut Rolling Knife Sharpener is a testament to German engineering excellence. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or outdoor adventurer, this sharpener is your go-to for precision, versatility, and durability. Don't settle for dull knives. Elevate your cutting experience with the HORL 2. Number 3. We're into the WÜSTHOF Easy Edge Electric Sharpener. Let's see if it's worth the buzz. With 3 sharpening stages, it's a breeze to revive dull knives. The process is intuitive and user-friendly. Crafted to perfection, it delivers a precise 14-degree cutting edge, ensuring your blades slice effortlessly through ingredients. The anti-slip rubber base keeps it stable during use, enhancing safety. Its durable construction ensures longevity in your kitchen arsenal. Measuring at 9.0 inches L by 4.5 inches W by 5.5 inches H, it's compact enough to fit snugly on your countertop. In conclusion, the WÜSTHOF Easy Edge Electric Sharpener ticks all the right boxes. It's efficient, precise, and built to last. Highly recommended. Number 2. We're into the Presto EverSharp 2-stage system electric knife sharpener. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about how easy it is to use this sharpener. Spoiler alert, it's a breeze. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. You know that feeling when your knife glides effortlessly through a tomato? That's what this sharpener delivers, professional grade results in your own kitchen. Now, let's get technical. The Sapphirite sharpening wheels are the real MVPs here. They grind and hone with precision, just like the pros. Ever struggled to find the perfect angle for sharpening? Say goodbye to guesswork with the precision blade guides on this sharpener. In conclusion, the Presto EverSharp electric knife sharpener is a game changer for any kitchen. Say hello to razor-sharp edges with minimal effort. Number 1. We're into the world of precision cutting with the Chef's Choice 1515 EdgeSelect Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Transform your knives from mundane to magnificent with the ability to convert them to high-performance Trizor 1515-degree edges. Experience the cutting-edge technology with advanced stropping and 100% diamond abrasives, catering to both straight and serrated blades. Say goodbye to guesswork. Patented flexible spring guides ensure automatic angle adjustment, giving you precise control over sharpening. Optimize your cutting experience with the 3-stage EdgeSelect system, providing the perfect edge for every task, from sharpening to polishing. Combining strength and sharpness, the Trizor 15 technology delivers flawless 15-degree edges in just minutes, making your knives ready for action. In conclusion, the Chef's Choice 1515 EdgeSelect Professional Electric Knife Sharpener is a game-changer for kitchen enthusiasts. Say hello to effortless precision and razor-sharp results. So that wraps up our list of the knife sharpener in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Techsavvy Life family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.